In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alert on TradingView by using the Ray drawing tool. This skill is particularly useful for traders who want to stay updated on price movements regarding specific levels or trends marked on their charts. So let's get started on how to set this up seamlessly. First, let's focus on drawing the Ray. TradingView provides a range of drawing tools, but you'll want to select the one labeled Ray from the drawing toolbar. Drawing a ray is particularly helpful when you wish to project a line forward infinitely to mark important levels of interest like support, resistance, or trend lines. You simply click on your starting point and drag your cursor in the direction you want the line to extend, then let go. This creates a neat, infinite line right across your chart. Once your ray is drawn where you need it, your next step is to access the alert menu. This begins by locating your drawn ray directly on the chart. Move your cursor over to the line you've created and right-click on it. This action opens a context menu featuring several options related to your drawing object. Within the context menu, you'll look for the choice that allows you to add alert on ray. The exact wording might slightly vary, but it's generally associated with the capability to add an alert to your chosen drawing tool. Upon selecting Add Alert, a new window will open. Here, you'll configure different parameters of your alert. Let's break down these settings to make sure each one aligns perfectly with your trading intentions. The window already defaults the condition to the ray you've drawn. What you need to decide here is whether you want the alert to trigger when the price crosses this ray. This is essential for pinpoint accuracy in notifying you at key moments. Next, consider the frequency of the alert. If you want it to notify you just once when the condition is met for the first time, choose the Once option. Alternatively, if you prefer ongoing notifications every time the price interacts with your ray, choose a more recurring setting that fits your strategy. Following frequency, you'll determine how you wish to be notified. TradingView offers various options to suit your preference, such as playing a sound, sending an email, or pushing a notification to your mobile device. Each option keeps you in the loop whether you are actively watching the markets or away from your screen. Finally, after meticulously configuring your alert settings, it's time to create your alert by clicking on the Create button. This confirms and activates your alert, putting it into action. Now, anytime the price touches, crosses, or interacts with your ray in the manner you specified, a notification will be sent right away, keeping you informed and ready to take action. By following these instructions, you can maintain an edge in your trading strategy, ensuring you're never missing crucial price movements on your chart.